The Movement cryptocurrency project, MOVE, has emerged as a significant player in the blockchain interoperability and smart contract security space. Designed to bridge the Move and Ethereum virtual machine (EVM) ecosystems, Movement offers a modular framework for developers to build secure, high-throughput decentralized applications (DApps). This report evaluates Movement's investment potential and sustainability across 10 key dimensions, synthesizing technical, economic, regulatory, and social factors. White Paper and Vision. Movement's white paper outlines a clear mission to address inefficiencies in smart contract security and interoperability while enabling scalable blockchain solutions. The project positions itself as a bridge between the Move programming language's security advantages and the EVM's widespread adoption. By leveraging Move-based rollups secured by Ethereum, Movement aims to create a unified ecosystem where developers can deploy applications across multiple chains without compromising performance. 18. The white paper identifies insecure smart contracts and fragmented blockchain ecosystems as critical pain points. Its proposed solution, modular, interoperable rollups, directly addresses these issues by combining Move's resource-oriented programming model with Ethereum's security one. Short-term goals include expanding developer tools and achieving compatibility with EVM-based DApps, while long-term objectives focus on fostering a multi-chain ecosystem powered by Move VM8. A detailed roadmap is not explicitly outlined in the provided materials, but the project's milestones include the launch of its mainnet as an Ethereum scaling solution and partnerships with entities like Thailand's International Digital Business and Finance Center, TIDC. 3. The feasibility of these goals hinges on technical execution and adoption rates, which remain uncertain given the competitive landscape. Technology and blockchain infrastructure. Movement's technical foundation rests on a network of Move-based rollups settled on Ethereum, offering 1-second finality ×1. The Move virtual machine, Move VM, serves as the execution layer, providing resource management and security features that prevent common vulnerabilities like reentrancy attacks. 8. This architecture enables high throughput, potentially thousands of transactions per second, while maintaining compatibility with EVM-based transactions. 1. Scalability is achieved through a modular stack that supports interoperable rollups, though the project has yet to demonstrate real-world performance at scale. Decentralization remains a concern, as the current iteration relies on Ethereum's consensus mechanism, proof of stake, for settlement. While no security breaches have been reported, the absence of publicly disclosed third-party audits raises questions about the robustness of its codebase. 18. Key technical challenges include optimizing cross-chain communication and ensuring seamless integration with existing EVM tools. Movement Labs, the project's core development team, is actively refining its software development kit, SDK, to address these hurdles. 8. Tokenomics and utility. Movement's native token, Move, has a total supply of 10 billion and a market capitalization of $1.358 billion as of early 20,251. The token's utility spans governance, staking, and fee payments within the ecosystem. Staking rewards incentivize network participation, while a deflationary mechanism, burning a portion of transaction fees, could reduce supply over time. 1. Market liquidity is bolstered by listings on major exchanges, though trading volumes remain volatile compared to established assets like Ethereum. The token's value proposition depends heavily on ecosystem growth. Without widespread adoption of Movement's rollups, demand for Move may stagnate. Market analysis and competitive landscape. Movement competes in the crowded blockchain interoperability sector, facing off against projects like Polkadot, Cosmos, and Layer 2 solutions such as Arbitrum. Its unique selling proposition lies in combining Move's security with EVM compatibility, a niche yet technically demanding approach. 18. Current use cases focus on AI-driven DApps and high-performance DeFi protocols, though real-world adoption is in its infancy. The project's success hinges on attracting developers away from established ecosystems, a challenge compounded by Ethereum's dominant network effects. Institutional interest appears limited, but partnerships with governmental bodies like TIDC signal growing recognition. 3. Regulatory and legal considerations movement operates in a regulatory gray area. While its appointment of Rushi Manch as a TIDC advisor demonstrates proactive engagement with Thailand's digital economy initiatives, broader regulatory risks persist. 3. In the U.S., ongoing litigation over whether secondary token transactions constitute securities, e.g., Kentucky et al. Versus SEC, could impact exchanges listing move. 4. The project's technical architecture, decentralized rollups, may mitigate some regulatory scrutiny, but evolving anti-money laundering (AML) policies pose compliance challenges. Team, advisors, and partnerships. Movement Labs co-founder Rushi Manch brings credibility through his advisory role in Thailand's blockchain infrastructure development. 3. However, limited public information about the core team's experience raises transparency concerns. Strategic partnerships with TIDC and DAO5 suggest a focus on institutional and governmental adoption, which could accelerate real-world use cases. 3. Community engagement and sentiment. Community engagement metrics are not explicitly detailed in available sources, but Movement's open-source SDK and developer-focused tools indicate a commitment to grassroots growth. 8. Social media sentiment appears cautiously optimistic, though the project lacks the viral traction of meme coins or consumer-facing platforms. Security and historical performance. No security breaches or smart contract exploits have been reported, attributable to Move's inherent safety features. 18. However, the absence of published audit reports from firms like Certa-K or Open Zeppelin leaves room for skepticism. Historical performance shows moderate price stability, with volatility tied to broader crypto market trends. Economic and social impact. Movement's emphasis on secure smart contracts could reduce financial losses from hacks, potentially saving billions in the DeFi sector. Its work with TIDC aligns with Thailand's digital transformation goals, fostering job creation in blockchain development. 3. Environmental impact is mitigated through Ethereum's energy-efficient proof-of-stake consensus. Investment feasibility and risk assessment. Risks, technological, execution risks in achieving seamless EVM compatibility. Regulatory, potential classification of Move as a security in key markets. 4. Competitive, dominance of Ethereum and established Layer 2 solutions. Rewards, unique positioning in blockchain interoperability. Governmental partnerships driving adoption. 3. Deflationary tokenomics with staking incentives. Movement presents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity suitable for long-term investors comfortable with technical and regulatory uncertainties. Key indicators to monitor include mainnet adoption rates, audit disclosures, and expansion of EVM-compatible tools. Conclusion. Movement's innovative approach to bridging Move and EVM ecosystems positions it as a potential leader in secure, interoperable blockchain solutions. While technical merits are compelling, the project's success depends on overcoming adoption barriers and regulatory hurdles. Investors should weigh its long-term potential against the inherent volatility of the crypto market, diversifying exposure to mitigate sector-specific risks.